Hi students, today we will discuss exercise 2.3. In exercise 2.3 they asked equal sets. Before only I told you how to identify equal sets. If two sets are having same number of elements and elements also same, then the two sets are called equal sets. Here in first question they ask which of the following sets are equal. In this first A is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word. X is a letter in the word follow. This is set A. Set builder form. What is this form? Set builder form. Now write in roster form. A letter in the word. So let us copy the letters. F, next letter O, next L and W. No need to write two times. Next B is equal to, set B is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word flow. Again B is equal to, write in a roster form what are the letters F, L, W. Next set C. X is such that X is a letter in the word wolf. Now write set C in roster form. What are the letters? W, O, L, F. Now observe set A, B, C. In set A, 4 elements are there, B also 4 and C also 4. Now check it. Elements also same or not? Number of elements is same. Okay. Next in A, F, F, F. O, O, O. L, L, L. W, W, W. So A, B, C, 3 sets are having same number of elements. Number of elements and same elements. Therefore, set A is equal to set B is equal to set C. Consider the following sets and fill up the blank in the statement given below with the equal or not equal so that to make the statement true. Here, set builder form, again roster forms they gave. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Here very simple, second Roman very simple. No need to again write on the board. Just listen explanation. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to the first 3 natural numbers. What are the first 3 natural numbers? 1, 2, 3. A is equal to B. What is C, D, E already they gave roster form. F they gave a set builder form. What is that? Set of vowels in English alphabet. What are the vowels in English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. Then they asked some questions. What about A and B? Either A equal to B or not equal. How can you identify equal or not? A is 1, 2, 3. B is the first 3 natural numbers. The first 3 natural numbers means 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Both are equal. Second question. A and E. What is A? 1, 2, 3. What is E? A, E, I, O, U. Both are same? No. Set A contains 3 elements. Set E contains 5 elements. Therefore, A is not equal to E. Students, once again, while giving explanation, try to see in your textbook. Otherwise, you can't understand anything. Coming to third question. C and D. What is C? Set C contains A, B, C, D. What is D? Set D contains D, C, A, B. Both sets contains 4 elements. And 4 elements also same elements. Therefore, both sets are equal. Remaining 4 sums you can solve. Very simple questions. The given sets are equal or not. What is the property you want to use here? First of all, check out. If number of elements are equal or not. If number of elements are equal, then check out elements also same or not. If number of elements are same, elements also same, then both sets are said to be equal sets. Coming to third Roman. In third Roman also again they are asking A is equal to B or not. Set A they give, set B also given. Either both sets are equal or not. Simply first and second questions are direct questions only. Set A contains 4 elements, set B also 4 elements. In set A, again check out individual elements. A, B, C, D. Set B, A, B, C, D. Both are equal. Next, the second question also same, but order of the elements they changed, interchanged. That's it. Coming to third question, first one is roster form they gave. Second one, set builder form they given. X such that X is a positive even integer and less than or equal to 10. Positive even integer. Even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8. And here 10 is countable or not. Observe the symbol less than or equal to 10. That means 10 also you want to write 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Therefore third question also both sets are equal. Coming to fourth one, starting X such that X is a multiple of 10. Multiple of 10 means it's nothing but 10th table, 10 ones, 10 twos, 10 threes, 10 fours. Starting on 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that will come. Coming to B, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 so on. So these two sets are not equal because in first set all are multiples of 10. Second set B is clearly multiples of 5. Therefore these two sets are not equal. Third, completely this exercise equal sets are not. A very simple concept. 1, 2 questions, 3 questions I explained. Next second Roman and third Roman you check out. Coming to fourth Roman. Fourth Roman I will solve. In fourth Roman, state the reasons for the following. First question they gave 1, 2, 3, so on 10 is not equal to X such that X belongs to capital N and 1 less than X less than 10. These two sets are not equal they are saying. In first set 1 to 10 elements are there. Coming to second set, X is a natural number and greater than, less than, greater than 1 and less than 10. So here the relation what they said, X must be greater than 1 and less than 10. Less than 10 means up to 9 we can calculate. Greater than 1 means from 2 onwards we can start. Greater than 1. So 2 onwards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and less than 10. Up to 9 we can calculate. Coming to here 1 to 10 elements are there. Here 1 and 10 are missed. That's why these two sets are not equal. Coming to second one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is not equal to X such that X is equal to 2n plus 1 and X belongs to capital N. These two sets are not equal they are saying. By seeing clearly here, these all are even numbers. Even numbers means the general form of even numbers are 2 into n. Here n belongs to natural number. These all are even numbers. Coming to here, what they are saying, the element is in the form of 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 means 2n is even number. If even number is added by 1, it will becomes odd number. 2n plus 1 is odd number. Here 2n is even number. So set of even numbers is not equal to set of odd numbers. Next, third one. Here 5, 15, 30, 45 is not equal to X such that X is a multiple of 15. These two sets are not equal they are saying. Here in set builder form what they said, X such that X is a multiple of 15. Multiples of 15 means 15 ones, 15 twos, 15 threes, 15 fours, so on. These are the multiples of 15. Coming to here, observe 15, 30, 45, these all are present except 5. Here 5 is extra. That's why these two sets are not equal. Coming to last one, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 is not equal to x such that x is a prime number. Here what they are saying, x is a prime number. Prime numbers means we'll start from 2. Next prime number 3. Next 5, 7, 11, so on. Here observe what are missed. 2, 3, 5, 7, okay. Coming to here 9. 9 is not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. That's why these two sets are not equal. So this is about equal sets. How to check out given sets are equal or not. First of all, you want to check out number of elements. If number of elements are same, then you have to check out the elements. Each element. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Same elements present in next set also or not. So order we don't want. Order we no need how it will be. But same element should present in second set also. Then two sets are set equal sets. Clear? Next last one. Here the concept is how to find out the subsets. The concept is how to find out subsets. For subsets, if a set contains number of elements, is n, then number of subsets, is equal to 2 to the power n. If a set contains number of elements n, then number of subsets is 2 to the power n. Now let us see fifth Roman. First, list out all the subsets of the following subsets. B is equal to P comma Q. So here number of elements in set B is equal to 1, 2 elements. Therefore, number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power n, which is equal to 2 to the power, what is n value? 2. 2 square. 4 subsets want to come. 4 subsets. How to write subsets? First, single elements P, next Q, next given set, and finally pi. Here one thing you observe, for each and every set itself and pi is subsets. A set kaina same given set, next null set annvi common ga undetvanti subsets avutayi. In second question, C is equal to X, Y, Z. So here number of elements is equal to, how many elements are there here? Is equal to 3. Therefore, number of subsets, how many subsets? 2 to the power 3, 2 cube, which is equal to 8 subsets. Now list out 8 subsets. First, how to write? First, single element X, and then Y, and then Z. Single elements. Now combination of two elements, first element and second element XY, along with the first element XY completed. Next X and Z. Now take a second element, second and third element Y and Z. Finally what I told, set itself X, Y, Z and pi. ప్రతి సెట్ కి సబ్సెట్స్ రాసేటప్పుడు ఫైనల్ గా రాసేది ఇచ్చిన సెట్ అండ్ పై. నౌ చెక్అవుట్ 8 సబ్సెట్స్ కి ఏమన్నాడు? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like that we can find out subsets. Remaining 3 questions, you try it. If not came means just give me comment, I will give you explanation. Okay ma, how to find out subsets understood? So ప్రతి సెట్ కి ఇచ్చిన సెట్ నల్ సెట్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా సబ్సెట్స్ అవుతాయి. రిమైనింగ్ ఫస్ట్ సింగిల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ నోట్ చేసుకోవడం, డబుల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. సపోజ్ వన్ మోర్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంటే త్రిబుల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ కాపీ చేసుకుంటూ సబ్సెట్స్ అనేవి నోట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో రిమైనింగ్ సమ్స్ చేయండి. ఒకవేళ ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కమెంట్ బాక్స్ లో కనుక కమెంట్ చేస్తే ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో పాస్ చేస్తాను.